Water is pure, a pure form of energy, just like your soul. There's a reason that showers cleanse the dirt from us. There's a reason that the pitter-patter of rain makes us feel relaxed. There's a reason why watching the ocean is just awe-inspiring. Energy from water is purely positive. That's why we're attracted to it so much. Water flows around you. 90% of your body is made of water. There is purity within you that can't be touched. Try and connect with that good feeling. Negative attachments can cling themselves to us, like limpets or leeches, throughout the day, and suck vital energy from us. It might be a comment from another person that made you feel down. You might be working in an environment where you feel drained. There are lots of ways that our pure energy can be tainted. But when we remind ourselves of the fluidity and purity of water, then those negative attachments can lose grip. Listen. Feel that pure energy flowing around your body. You are made almost entirely of water. The water's in your blood, in your mind, in all your organs, in your muscles. Allow that feeling of flow around your body to relax you, to release tension. Let the water wash away the sadness, the anger, the jealousy, all the feelings that don't serve us right now in this moment. And allow yourself to feel light, uplifted, relaxed, and good. All your worldly problems are washing away, and all there is here and now. Your pure form. Just you, the way you were born. Untainted, raw, authentic, and real. Right now you are magnificent. Feel that purity of water washing around your body. I want to remind you that you can return to this meditative state of purity at any point during the day, during work, in your social life, at home, any point where you're feeling mildly distressed, you can return back to that fluid state and feel good again. We get caught up in the worldly problems, become so attached to them and allow them to affect our emotions. We can let go of them when we remind ourselves of who we are. Simply pure energy, like water. You are the tide washing in and out, in and out. Focus on your breathing, and as you breathe in, imagine the tide coming in, and as you breathe out, imagine the tide going out. Breathe with water. It's okay to let go. You don't need to hold on to those problems. Getting stressed over them isn't going to help. They will solve themselves. Give yourself time to feel pure again. Even in the most distressful situations, you can return to this every single time if you choose to let go. No one deserves to feel constantly stressed in this life. You were born pure, like water. You are water, purity. Never forget that. Thank you for listening.